Here it is, a one-of-a-kind Dutchpour butterfly. I used the blow dryer to create this beautiful butterfly, you guys. I want you to check it out. The background it's on is just amazing. Silver and blue. Amazing, you guys. Check out today's video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm doing two combinations of techniques. I'll be starting off doing a puddle pour pearl cells. So I was trying to get some, unique blue cells, for this background that I'm gonna do next, for the painting I'm gonna be doing on this background. So it didn't turn out the way I'd expected it to. I did use some ready mix paint in this. The top that you see there is silver mixed with a bit of white, and it's the Artist Love Silver. The blue, it's a combination I just mixed, but they're pretty much all ready mix paint. And the base that it was on, the Satin Enamel, was also a custom mixed blue. So I pretty much just custom mixed. I really wanted to experiment and see if this will work out for me, if I'll get some cells that I wanted or some lacing, because I've been trying and I got some great result when I'm not recording. Can you guys believe that? When I'm not recording I do get some good result, but when I have the camera on it's like, okay, what's going on? But anyways, I decided, I'm gonna keep this background because I love the border, how it, the blue, I do love it, and that blue is just amazing. And so I decided I'm going to do a Dutchpour on it. And I got this idea pretty much from Tara, because Tara, I'm still trying to get your perfect white sauce. Can you believe me, girl? I love the way you do it. So guys, I'm giving a shout out to Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry. She's amazing, so talented. She gets some amazing white pearl cells, and I was really trying to get those, using my paints and the paints that I'm using, and without using also the Floetrol. Like I told you guys earlier that I don't use the American Floetrol or the Aussie Floetrol. I just use the Zinsser latex conditioner and the Wagner Paint Easy conditioner. So that's what I use to mix my paint to create the cells. But like I said earlier, this is an experiment, and I did use custom mix, and I added some ready mix paint to this mix as well. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you that I'm doing for the blow dryer. I'm also using the ready mix. I'm just pouring straight from the bottle because as I said earlier, guys, this is an experiment, and I was just going with the flow, and I was just pouring from the bottle. I didn't know where this was gonna take me. I didn't have no idea, no plan to create a butterfly or anything. And this was my first attempt. I just decided, I'm just gonna keep this background and pour the paint on it. So I'll be listing all the names of the paints I'm using in the description box below. So of course you guys can always go ahead and do check that out. As you can see, I'm just working with shades of blue, maybe adding some aqua, and of course silver, So do check it out, guys. I do hope you love this one, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. And also, guys, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. All right, so thank you guys so much for being here, and do enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. I did work on this butterfly a bit. Check it out, guys. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I'm so happy I added more of that bright blue. I think it's indigo. It's just amazing. I do love it, and the color combination is beautiful. And the silver, you know, guys, you're gonna see some beautiful cells created from the metallic silver, and I did use some iridescent colors in here as well. Yeah, it's beautiful. What do you guys have to say about this one? You know, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Here it is, all dried. It dried well, you guys. I'm so happy with the way this one turned out, and I'm so loving that background. What do you guys think? It's beautiful, isn't it? I do love it. Didn't get those cells, didn't get what I really wanted, but I did get some lacing, and I do love the background. It's just amazing, you guys. I do love it. The silver is mixed with some white, so I toned it down a bit, so it's kind of metallic whitish silver. And yeah, you can still see the cells, beautiful cells in this butterfly here, guys. And remember, this is abstract art, and this is a fun way to use the blow dryer to create beautiful butterflies, whatever it is that comes to your mind. Okay, guys, so thank you for sticking around all the way to the end, and I will see you next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.